Hello student, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about some property of field ED, PID, UFD and ID. Then solve the previous year question. First see the properties. In field, subset of ED, subset of PID, subset of UFD, subset of ID. That is, if F is field, then F is ED, then F is PID, imply F is UFD, imply F is ID. The reverse will be happened when F is not integral domain, that is ID, then F is not UFD, imply F is not PID, imply F is not ED, imply F is not field. And the rules, one is, if F is field, then this implies Fx is ED, PID, UFD and ID. Fx is not field only. If F is ED or F is PID or F is UFD, in three cases Fx will be UFD. Fx will be UFD in three cases. Rules 5, F is ID imply Fx is ID. And rule 6 is F is field if and only if Fx is ED, if and only if Fx is PID. It means that if Fx is ED, then F is field, or F is field imply Fx is ED, or if Fx is PID imply F is field, or F is field imply Fx is PID. In three cases, if and only case happened. Rule 7, F is UFD imply Fx is UFD. Double imply, that is, if F is UFD then Fx is UFD. If Fx is UFD then F is UFD. And rules 8, if R is commutative ring with unity and M is an ideal of R, then R upon M is field if and only if M is maximal ideal. And R upon M is integral domain or ID if and only if M is prime ideal. Now we solve two problems of CSR net previous year question. First question is, if F is field then Fx is. Option A, B, C, D are given. So we know that F is field implies Fx is ED, PID, UFD and ID. So Fx will be ED, so option A is correct. UFD, that is option B, is correct. Option C, PID, so option C is also correct. Option D, PID but not ED, so option D is false. Because if F is field, then Fx will be ED. So answer will be A, B and C. Let's see the second question. The second question is, which of the following are PID? Option A, B, C, D given. First we know that NZ is field if N is prime. And second is, if F is field, if and only Fx is PID. So in this case, Q is field, so Qx is PID. So option A is correct. We know that Z is not field, so Zx is not PID. If and only condition F is field, if and only Fx is PID. In this case, Z upon 6Z is not field because 6 is not prime. So Z upon 6ZX is not PID. And Z upon 7Z is field since 7 is prime. So Z upon 7ZX is PID. So option D is correct. So correct option is A and D. If you like my video content, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.